Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to uninstall and delete an application from your Android device. Now it is an extremely easy process, so all you have to do is just simply go to the application that you want to delete. So let's say for example I want to delete DoorDash. Now all you have to do is just simply hold on to your application and a panel will appear in front of you. Now where you will have an option of uninstall, and in some cases if you not have that option, just simply go to app info and over there you'll find the option of uninstall. Click on that and just like that the application will be uninstalled. Now there is also another way of doing this, so all you have to do is go to your phone setting, then just simply search for apps. Now click on the app which has a gear icon. Now over here click on manage apps. Now over here just simply click on the uninstall option, and now right over here you will have an option to uninstall multiple applications. All you have to do is just simply select them one by one, just like that, and then all you have to do is just simply click on uninstall, then click on OK, and all the applications selected will be uninstalled. So this was the second method. There will be few applications that cannot be uninstalled, like for example the calculator, because it is inbuilt inside the phone, so you will not have the option to uninstall it. The only thing that you can do is just simply uninstall the updates. That same goes for contacts and phone. You will not have the option to uninstall them at all. That's it, and thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.